Hi guys, Kevin Evangelista here with a quick unboxing and somewhat kind of a feature video on something that Kemove sent me, well, like 2 weeks ago, but it arrived today. So this is their new product. It's the P10 2-in-1 keycap puller and switch puller thing. And I've seen this on the internet. I've actually seen this on their site before and it looks pretty wild out. So yeah, thank you very much Kemove for sending this in. I did have to pay somewhat of a fee to get this, but you know, it was negligible. It was like $1 or something. I am in the Philippines, so shipping from, I think, China to here is incredibly super cheap. There's one piece of documentation here, and it is mostly in Chinese. I cannot read Chinese, but I think this is mostly a self-explaining tool. So it comes in this plastic right here, and it seems like I got the version of it in kind of like a smoky gray plastic and red accents. It looks super over-engineered for what it does. So yeah, if you want to use the keycap puller like function, you just pull out the things here. This is it, BCam. Then if you want to use the switch puller, all you have to do is just press like this button at the back. Yeah, and you can just like push it in for switches and it's gonna pull them out. Then if you wanted to let go the switch, you just push it like at the back, like a mechanical pen or something. It is funny, it's like so super over-engineered. And of course, for trying it out, I have the Kemove K68 Angel with me. I recently unboxed this, gave my first impressions on it. I am currently working on my review of this. It just kind of got like steamrolled because immediately after receiving and doing a video on this, Asus ROG sent me the Strix G16 laptop, and I had to like do my review of that because I only had it for a month, and yeah, I make pretty detailed reviews. So yeah, please also watch my review of the ROG Strix G16. But anyways, this is kind of like a demo of the Kemove P10. So first, we're gonna remove some keycaps. Yeah, look at that. That was pretty easy. It does like a bad job of catching the removed keycaps though. But I think it's mostly because of the keycaps, not because of the tool, because these are low profile keycaps. It easily removed 2 of the keycaps. So time to test out the switch removal tool. So first off, we have to eject the end. I have to make sure that the prongs are on the top and at the bottom of the switch, not at the sides. So just push it in. It's kind of hard. Pull out the switch and there we go. Yeah, it removed the switch. Now the switch is like captured at the end. So if I wanted to eject the switch, I just press the key back down. Okay. Seems very over-engineered, but you know, technical flair is somewhat useless, but very entertaining. I'm kind of curious if it works with low-profile switches as well. Wait, let's get my Newfie. This is my Newfie R75. As some of you may know, low-profile switches don't disconnect from the top and the bottom. They disconnect from the sides. So yeah, let's try it out. It locked in. Oh, it pulled off. It destroyed my brown switch. Yeah, but that's all right. These are fairly cheap switches. Let's try it again. Let's see. And I have extras of this, so it's perfectly fine. Oh, it pulled it off on the second try. Pulled it off on the second try. It pulls off regular full height cherry mechanical switches, and it pulls off cherry style low profile switches. Okay. I didn't know exactly what I was expecting with that test, but yeah. So yeah, it's the Kemove P10. It's a switch puller and a keycap puller, and it works, and it's over-engineered for what it does. I kind of like it, and I'm gonna keep using it. that's it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down below. Also, please watch my previous videos. I recently released a video about a router, the setup of the Asus RTAX 1800 HP. I also did a feature of the ROG Hone and Harp Ace AimLab Gaming Edition mousepad and gaming mouse. And I also did a review of the Strix R. It's sounding like an ROG sponsor. I am not sponsored by ROG. They're just like close collaborators of this channel, but I am not receiving any money from them. Yeah, also watch my review of the ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. Anyways, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.